Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with an unboxing of January's Happy Mail Stamps of Life, and this is the card kit. Anyways, so my other video for my Stamps of Life was a little delayed, so I do apologize for that, but I am doing the January just as I received it, so I will be uploading it soon, hopefully within the next couple of days. And today is Thursday, so yeah. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see what I got. And again, this is a card kit that I am subscribed, or I subscribed to back in what, June. Anyway, so I've been very happy. I've yet to start using a lot of the stuff, and I will be using it shortly. So anyways, there's gonna be a surprise in here. And yay! So I had to see the sneak peek, but I don't remember most of it. So I know Stephanie had done a sneak peek, and she was going to be putting a bag on everybody's box this month. And oh my goodness, look at you guys. So anyways, it's a big bag. We could carry a whole bunch of stuff in there, so we'll see what I carried in there. So anyways, so let's see. Oh, okay, so it was the fish tank this month, and this comes with a coordinating die. So isn't that cute? You're so cool. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. So these stamps you can use all year round. You don't even have to use it just exactly with the fish, but aren't that cute? And then these cute little bows. Ooh. So anyways, so that's what I got. So, and then you get an inspirational card on how to make a few cards. And there you go. And then you get these puffy stickers. Oh, these are cute. I like the turtles. And that's you go. These are puffy stickers. These are enamel white dots. Whoa, these are nice. Sorry for the glare. There you go. And these are the coordinating dies that go with these right here. So that's going to cut that out and that one out. Awesome. And then Loving Life. So this is a die with the shadow on the background, as well as this one. They all both have shadows in the background. So awesome. And then this is the first time that she is doing the 5x7. I think this is 6x9. Oh, okay, so look at you guys. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness, how cute. Look at you guys. Oh wow, Loving Life. And there you go. And I think these are the ones that go with these dies right here. Right, oh sorry, these right here. I think these are it. So awesome. Got these. And it repeats. And I don't know, did I miss some? Feels like I missed some. But aren't these cute? Oh, these are so cute. So they're double-sided. Yay, awesome. And then you got these ribbon spools. And I think you get 3 yards of ribbon. And this is ribbon, but this is like the kind of like the suede kind of. So yeah, it's kind of like the suede kind of looking one. So this is nice. Anyways, there you go. And you get your matching papers, you get your envelopes, and you get the plastic envelope where you could put all your papers in there. And these are the papers. They put them all in a separate bag now, which is kind of awesome in a way. I was so used to them, you know, putting them in there, but this is nice. This still works. And let's see the colors that we get. I believe you get 4 white cardstocks. Yeah, 4 white cardstock, which, yay. You got this. I don't know the names of the colors, but this is what they look like. This is like a lime green. This is kind of like a reddish but orangey at the same time. A blue, a gray, and purple. A light blue and a dark blue and a yellow one in the back. So awesome. So yay. So hopefully I'll be working with these in the summer. I won't be working with these right now. So thank you for taking the time to watch, and there you go. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.